Hey everyone, this is Howard Eskew. I'm getting ready to submit my Sandbox for the DEFT class, and I just wanted to let you know that I'm doing mine on my Accounting 101 financial accounting class. So I don't know about you, but this has been a tremendous journey. It's been a lot of work. So I'm hoping that you'll enjoy this as you look at it through the eyes of a student. I'm hoping that I'll get some really good feedback about whether or not it translates into a really strong educational experience. That's really important to me for my students. So you won't have the advantage of seeing the instructional videos that I've created. I've made some of those and have submitted them for captioning, but those have not come back. So you won't see necessarily lecture or instruction videos from me, but you'll see other videos from me. And there's also some supplemental videos from uh, other sources. So take a look, tell me what you think, and I'm looking forward to hearing your feedback. Have a great day.